as a follow-up na lang po, kasi we have been, I don't think there's doubt dun sa evidence given the 4 impeachment hearings, at least initially. Parang wala namang masyadong rebuttal on the quality of the evidence. But the question is, are you not worried that you will not be allowed to present evidence ultimately? Because I understand for every evidence that you want to present, you would need the approval of the Senate Impeachment Court for that. I mean, I'm just recalling our experience during the Corona impeachment trial. Are you not concerned that, like Kong Shell knows this, the second envelope happened during the Corona trial, evidence for the PAL case, PAL FASAP case, was not allowed by the Senate Impeachment Court to be presented. So do you have similar worries now that ultimately your evidence will not be allowed by the court to be, will not be allowed to be presented?
Well, that is the purpose of the pre-trial. We are supposed to submit the list of witnesses as well as the list of evidence which will be presented during the trial, presentation of the prosecution's evidence. Although I understand that if the evidence is not yet available during the pre-trial, so long as we can justify the same, it may be presented still before the impeachment court, but that will be subject to the approval, of course, of the impeachment court. Kong Noy?
Hindi kami nag-aalala na haharangin ang ebidensya naming ilalabas sa impeachment trial. Kung haharangin ang ebidensya namin, remember that we are not the ones in trial. Huhusgahan din ng bayan ang ating mga senator judges. And while we will give them utmost respect, siguradong ang pagtingin ng taong bayan sa isang impeachment court na hindi papayag na ilabas ang ebidensya ay makapagbabago ng damdamin ng mga Pilipino. Lalo na sa team ng depensa, kung hindi na kayo nagpakita, kung hindi na kayo sumipot, haharangin nyo pa din ang ebidensya. Hindi talagang maganda ito para sa isang ini-impeach na mataas na opisyal. So we're not worried. We're prepared to present our evidence. No matter what they will do, sila na ang maghusga sa amin. Igagalang namin ang ating impeachment court.
Madam Chair, may I add? Klarong-klaro naman po the decision on admissibility of evidence are made by the Senate as an impeachment court. But the discretion to present evidence kung ano pa yung ihahain namin na ebidensya ay nasa kamay ng prosecution. And the court cannot interfere with that discretion. Kaya sa simula pa lang, kung gusto po namin na magtawag ng witness o kaya magpresenta ng mga dokumento, ay nasa sa prosecution po yon. Now, later on, how the Senate will evaluate that evidence or whether they will admit it will be subject, of course, to arguments and on both sides and then a decision by the court. Wala naman pinagkaiba yan sa regular na korte.
Dagdag ko lang, sana maintindihan din ng mga kababayan natin na hindi pwedeng harangin ng teknikalidad ang procedure sa isang impeachment court. Huwag po kayong maniniwala na may mga technicalities kasi ang isang impeachment trial at isang impeachment process, sinadya ng mga sumulat ng ating konstitusyon na dapat maging maluwag ang pag-interpret ng rules of procedure para mailabas lahat ng ebidensya at matimbang ito ng husto ng ating mga senator judges at ang sarili nilang konsyensya ang maghuhusga. Wala pong dapat mabigat na ebidensya na kailangan ng proof beyond reasonable doubt. But the quantum of evidence required to convict is simply the personal assessment of each senator judge whether a high public official should be removed or may stay in public office.
Madam Chair, if I may add. Thank you. Well, with all due respect sa ating mga kagalang-galang na senador, baka hindi lang kasi masyadong naunawaan ng ibang kababayan natin. Kasi nung kumaalala, kung titignan po natin yung pagpepresenta ng ebidensya, ang pagpepresenta po ng ebidensya, hindi po lahat ng ebidensya na ipipresente ninyo ay tatanggapin talaga. kailangan unang-una yung purpose mo, patunayan mo yung relevancy at saka yung materiality ng ebidensya. So pagka hindi walang relevance yung ebidensya na ipepresenta mo doon sa issue, hindi po talaga yun tatanggapin ng korte. Kaya ako po naniniwala, ganito din na magiging sukatan o parameters ng ating kagalang-galang ng mga senador. At hindi rin naman namin kinu-question na nung nakaraan, lalong-lalo na po, ang nag-preside po dito ay ang kagalang-galang na Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, na isang mahusay po na abogado.
Thank you, kagalang-galang na Joel Chua. Thank you.
I asked the question because of what happened last Congress na very clear po yung political alliance ng ibang senator judges. That's why I ask if there are concerns na baka ultimately hindi po kayo payagan. What happens then? What is the recourse? Do you conduct a press conference? How do you... because as Congressman Jokno said, discretion po kasi ng prosecution which evidence to present.
Siguro, we don't want to respond to hypotheticals at this point. Di ba? Kasi, ang totoo naman po, we will have to fight for each and every piece of evidence when we reach that point. No? So, pero, again, like what had been stated, we have absolute faith in our senator judges that they will look at each and every piece of evidence, each witness, based on how they appreciate po the case itself. No? So, yun po yung panghahawakan namin going to trial. So, whatever they decide on each piece of evidence, syempre, we will have to respect how they will look at it and decide ultimately.
If I may add, I think it would be, speaking, as a prosecutor also of the 19th Congress, it would be unfair to say that it was purely political. The considerations for however which way that the senator judges previously acted. And we just want to restate po siguro na coming into the 20th that we respect the impeachment court and we are fully confident in their own respective fiduciary duty to their being just senator judges, and that they will really carry it out with proper discernment. So, yes, there might be political color that you may play in the outside, but we trust fully that when they take on their roles as senator judges, they will perform their duties properly.
Also, if you will note in the rules itself of the Senate on impeachment trial, they are actually expected to exhibit political neutrality. So they have to fulfill their duty without unfair discrimination and without regard to political color or affiliation. That is there in the Senate rules itself, political neutrality.